When most aviators think about Garmin Pilot, they think about charts, weather, or flight planning. But there's another feature. It's easy to overlook, and that's the document section. This isn't where your approach plates live, and it doesn't replace required charts, but instead it gives you a centralized place to store and access supplemental PDFs right inside the app. If you've ever scrambled to find a handbook, a manual, or an event notum, either in paper or on your phone, this feature's for you. Let's start by going Home, and then Settings, and Documents. This is where you can link the iCloud services like iCloud, Dropbox, and Jeppesen. Once signed in, Garmin Pilot can access supported PDF files stored in those accounts. For this example, I'm signed into iCloud. When you connect iCloud, Garmin Pilot automatically creates a folder inside the Files app called Garmin Pilot. Let me switch over to the Files app and we'll show you where that lives. If we go to Files and then iCloud Drive, you'll see the Garmin Pilot folder. Any PDF placed inside this folder will appear inside the Garmin Pilot Documents page. It's important to note that this works with PDF files only. I've tried loading Word and Excel documents and they won't display in the app. So if you want something to show up here, make sure it's saved as a PDF. Okay, now let's switch back to Garmin Pilot and open the Documents page. Open the iCloud folder and you'll see the exact same PDFs that were inside the Garmin Pilot folder in iCloud. This makes it easier to keep frequently referenced material available without digging through email or cloud storage apps during a flight. Next, let's look at the catalog located in the top right-hand side of the screen. This is where Garmin Pilot allows you to download published documents directly inside the app. You'll find FAA handbooks, the FAR AIM, and other official publications available for download. Personally, I keep a copy of Part 91 and the Airplane Flying Handbook on standby, and I'd encourage you to just scroll through this list and see if there's anything that you'd like to keep available. One of the more impressive features here is access to event notams. If you search for the Oshkosh Notum, you can download it directly from the catalog. Once downloaded, it appears under the Files section in Documents. The same goes for Sun and Fun and other major events. Even though I do keep a physical copy on me when flying into Oshkosh, having it accessible directly inside the Garmin Pilot app is a pretty big convenience feature. The catalog also includes Garmin product manuals. If you have Garmin avionics installed on your aircraft, you can download these manuals and keep them stored here. This isn't something that you're going to read in flight, and it's not required by any means, but they're definitely nice to have in a pinch, since most of us probably keep our physical manuals filed away at home and not in the airplane. Having a digital copy available in the cockpit can be helpful for when you need to reference something quickly. So the Documents feature isn't flashy, and it doesn't replace required flight materials, but it does keep your supplemental PDFs organized in one place. Instead of bouncing back and forth between different apps or searching through folders, everything is accessible directly inside Garmin Pilot. It takes only a few minutes to link your iCloud account and organize your PDFs, and once it's set up, it's one less thing to worry about when you're preparing for a flight. And that's my top-level overview of how the Documents section within Garmin Pilot works. If you have any cool or creative ways that you use this section, let me know in the comments, as I'm always looking for better ways to improve my workflow in the cockpit. My name's Cam Carr, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.